Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Fillmore local and long-distance movers near me. If you're looking to take the stress out of your move, our qualified movers make your long-distance move less complicated. Selecting our crew to assist you means your cross-country relocation will go efficiently. The right moving services make all the difference, and our team offers just what you require for your upcoming move. Selecting our team guarantees you receive access to all of the common long-distance moving services and all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. When you need to work with a California moving company, rationalizing the expense may seem to be hard. However, if you begin to recognize the conveniences, the price seems to be well worth it. The time savings you gain may make hiring a moving company one of the best decisions you've made. Movers may also make sure you don't have to stress over injury, since you won't have to do any heavy lifting. Our moving team makes it simple to get to your new location without nearly as much worry. 3 Movers understands how to simplify your move. It doesn't matter how large your move is, we can get it done fast. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fillmore moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.